Chennai, earlier called as Madras, is a city which caught up with the aviation excitement as early as 1910, just within 7 years of the first flight by Wright brothers. Giacomo de Angelis, a confectioner who arrived in Madras from Italy, built a biplane from his own designs in the workshop of Simpsons. He tested his aeroplane at Pallavaram and made the first public flight on March 26, 1910 from the island grounds of the city. Tamilnadu, a leader in both manufacturing and services sectors, leads the country in several industrial segments such as automobile, electronics, leather, textiles, engineering components, and renewable energy. The state excels in the availability of power, healthcare services, and educational infrastructure, and is advantageously backed by the business-friendly policies of the state government, making it one of the fastest growing state economy and second largest contributor to India's GDP. Tamil Nadu has been spearheading the aerospace and defense manufacturing in the country by encompassing both large-scale public and private industries which have been contributing immensely to the aerospace and defense sector over the recent decades. These industries have now led to numerous SMEs forming the supply chain in the defense-related products. To support the growth of the defense sector and enhance the present manufacturing capacity in this sector, the state government of Tamil Nadu announced a dedicated defense industrial corridor and designated the Tamil Nadu Industrial Development Corporation (TIDCO) as the nodal agency for the development of the corridor. The corridor, which was inaugurated in the year 2019, connects the 5 nodes of Chennai, Tiruchirappalli, Coimbatore, Salem, and Hosur, each with distinct technical capabilities. TIDCO, through the Tamil Nadu Defence Industrial Corridor (TNDIC), has been meticulously working towards developing the state's industrial strength in the A&D sector by creating new defense production facilities and promoting clusters with necessary testing and certification facilities, export facilitation centers, and technology transfer facilitation. TNDIC will catalyze indigenous production of A&D related products and will equally promote the growth of private domestic manufacturers, MSMEs, and startups in the defense sector. Consequently, TIDCO had signed an MOU with IIT Madras to act as knowledge partners for setting up common testing facilities, infrastructure, certification centers, and training facilities. An MOU was signed with DRDO to act as the knowledge partner for sharing ideas, resources, and expertise for the development of the defense corridor in order to competently leverage the proficiencies of the state and to expedite the indigenization drive in the sector. TIDCO is stringently proposing and implementing various progressive initiatives in the state. The state government has favorably evolved and issued an aerospace and defense industrial policy which has spelled out considerable incentives and concessions by creating an integrated ecosystem for A&D sector covering design, engineering, and manufacturing. Tamil Nadu is fast emerging as the manufacturing hub of the sector, welcoming new entrants in the sector such as GE Aviation, Siemens, Dassault Systems, and Rolls-Royce. TIDCO is in the process of establishing an aerospace hub at Sri Perumbudur. The Aero Hub in Sri Perumbudur will perform as a one-stop solution for the aerospace and defense ecosystem with a built-up space of 3.5 lakh square feet in its first phase. The Aero Hub will have in-house facilities for advanced computing software and hardware facilities, data centers, virtual reality design center, prototyping, and 3D printing. The Aero Hub will support the growth of the aerospace industry with internal infrastructure matching international standards. Locations for industrial parks with a focus to cater to the comprehensive needs of the A&D sector have been strategically identified and will be positioned in Vallambadagal, Hosur, Manaparai, Tindivanam, Sulur, Thoothukudi, and Karani. TIDCO has established Centers of Excellence (COE) to enhance the production of aircraft and aeronautical components for industries in the aerospace and defense sector using advanced manufacturing technologies. TANCAM, Tamil Nadu Center of Excellence for Advanced Manufacturing, COE with Dassault Systems for Advanced Manufacturing Setup at a cost of Rs 212 crores. TANSAM, Tamil Nadu Smart and Advanced Manufacturing Center, COE with Siemens for Smart and Advanced Manufacturing Setup at a cost of Rs 251 crores. TAMCO, Tamil Nadu Advanced Manufacturing Center of Excellence, COE with GE Aviation for aero engine components set up at a cost of Rs 180 crores.
We are very happy to collaborate with TIDCO, Additive Manufacturing Center of Excellence, and looking forward to some pioneering work along with them.
The GE partnership with the government of Tamil Nadu is a significant milestone in the growth of aerospace and defense ecosystem in the state.
TIDCO will also be establishing a Common Facility Center CFC in Coimbatore at an investment of Rs 500 crore for the aerospace and defense industries. TIDCO, in order to address the need for adequate defense testing infrastructure, is establishing integrated common testing centers with international accreditation in Chennai and Trichy for electronics and mechanical domains respectively, which would provide the domestic defense industry with easy access to testing needs. TIDCO is establishing a drone manufacturing facility in partnership with Garuda Aerospace and an integrated testing complex for drones and strategic electronics in Sri Perumbudur as part of Tamil Nadu Defence Industrial Corridor, while creating a conducive operational atmosphere to support the thriving drone segment. Equal thrust is being initiated to set up flying schools in TNDIC, with the state boasting of the most favorable flight training environment. Given the increase in volume of air passenger traffic, India would require over 1,000 pilots per annum over the next 5 years, and TNDIC, by establishing flying training schools in the region, proposes to cater to the demand for pilots both in terms of quantity and quality of training provided. In order to capitalize on the rising demand for aircraft maintenance, repair and overhaul (MRO), TIDCO would be advantageously encouraging the setting up of MRO facilities by private players in airstrips adjacent to the airports of the state. Yet another milestone in the aerospace and defense ecosystem of Tamil Nadu would be the commissioning of India's second spaceport in the coastal hamlet of Kulasekharapattinam in the Thoothukudi district. The spaceport at Kulasekharapattinam will provide a strategic advantage to ISRO, as satellites launched from the station can fly straight to the South Pole, saving fuel. TIDCO is also the principal partner of the state government when it comes to Tamil Nadu's key strategic and futuristic projects, be it the Greenfield International Airport near Chennai and Hosur and the exclusive freight corridor. TIDCO has been working collectively with the state government towards strategizing business-friendly and favorable policies for the defense corridor with sector-specific incentive support. Consequently, MOUs for potential investment of over Rs 11,000 crores in the segment have been announced in the Tamil Nadu Defence Corridor. TNDIC offers a plethora of incentives and facilities to global OEMs and industries related to the A&D sector. Wide range of incentives to industries, Centers of Excellence and Common Facilities Center, Strategic Partnership Projects. Self-sufficiency in the aerospace and defense sector in India will be the single most important constituent of strategic independence, and in the near future, TNDIC would not only meet the demands of the Indian Defence Force extensively, but will become export-oriented as well. TNDIC is being developed by TIDCO with meticulous planning and is progressing energetically along the right lines. In a wider perspective, TNDIC will facilitate enormous job creation and skill development in the A&D sector, will empower the sector beneficially and in turn accelerate the state's economic growth, placing Tamil Nadu at the head of the Indian ecosystem for defense manufacturing.